Hi, everybody. Hope everybody's had a nice weekend so far. It's Mother's Day Sunday, and it's rainy, but we had a nice weather day yesterday. So hopefully we enjoy at least a little bit then. Just getting an update for the week, what's going on here. So yeah, first of all, happy Mother's Day to all the moms out there. Hopefully everybody's having a good little celebration for mom today. Kids, we worked on a little language arts connected Mother's Day gift, so they really turned out pretty well for the effort they put in for those. So hopefully you got those today. If not, tell your little angel that you need to remember that gift for them. So the kids did a nice job on those. Um, Also, Teacher Appreciation Week last week. Just definitely want to say thanks to everybody. Kind of mentioned in my email. Really kind of embarrassingly overwhelmed at how generous everybody was with coming into school and giving their time and help us cover recess duties. That was an awesome break for us to not have to worry about running out to recess and that kind of thing during the middle of the day. Lunches from PTA and was very generous to them, and I'm sure Lai had a big part of that. And really, just the gifts were overwhelming and amazing for all you to do that. So thanks again. It really was a special time for us, and really did definitely feel appreciated. So that was fantastic. Um, also last week we had our penny fair on Friday, which was another kind of, I guess, part of the teacher appreciation tie-in, I suppose. Wonderful time there. It was great to get outside, great to do some of the penny fair stuff that we missed out on over the winter. Kids really enjoyed it. It was nice and sunny, cooler a little bit, but nice and sunny. I think it was just a beautiful day. A great way to kind of end up the week, especially as we kind of get through these last few weeks of constantly 5 day weeks. I could definitely tell the kids are ready for a little extra time like that to have a little fun outside of just the normal classroom routine. So that's what's kind of been going on. As far as this week in my classes, we're going to be working on getting into multiplying fractions here soon. We do have like one last little half a lesson to do on adding and subtracting fractions, and we'll be multiplying fractions in just a little bit this week. I told the kids it kind of sounds weird, but it's actually easier to multiply fractions than to add or subtract. So I think we'll do just fine kind of jumping into that here soon. Science, we started a little preview of talking about motion and energy, and we'll continue that actually diving into the book this week. Um, Kind of mentioned with this, motion and movement sounds like a normal everyday thing because it is. It's something we do every day with friction and gravity that we don't even have to think about. But it's another one of those things, if we slow down and study the science of it, it can actually be pretty neat and fun to look at specific examples of measuring motion like speed and acceleration, and also just discussing what motion is, how do we know motion's happening, what's causing the motion to happen. It's kind of neat to take a close look at those normal things we probably don't think about too often in our daily lives, but that we use every single day. So we'll look forward to getting to that. With English, we're going to finish publishing the personal narratives. A few kids maybe still need an extra day on that. We did take a little break from that to devote some of our language arts time to those Mother's Day gifts and what the kids were putting together for some of their own creativity in that respect, and certainly working on the English parts of those. And then we'll also start, hopefully by the end of this week, or definitely the last couple weeks, just some end of the year recap activities. We've been working on the writing process for quite a bit, but we'll get back to just reviewing some of the key things from the parts of speech which have been so well integrated into their writing recently. So we'll just kind of take it easy now toward the end of the year, go back over some of those big things we need to hit. So that's pretty much all I've got for you for this week. So we just have 15 school days left, which is pretty amazing. And I know early in the year, it felt like we'd never get this far, but we're there. So it's been a great start to May, and hopefully let's make it a great couple of weeks to finish, and keep working hard while we get the chance. And we'll also try to make time to look back on the year and enjoy what we've done. So that's all I got for you for now. Thanks again for watching. Again, happy Mother's Day to all the moms, and I will talk to you all soon. Bye-bye.